Yeah, 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 yeah.
Hey guys, how are you doing? It's Wednesday today. I had 2 meetings today which were both successful. I had a meeting with my filming team for Chats and Glam, the podcast, and I also had another meeting with a makeup client. So those went well. The other thing that didn't go well, so while I was on the second meeting, I decided why not start my food because I have to go to work in like an hour and a half. And I put everything on the stove. I burnt my salmon, which I'm sad about it. I also made some beef. I think that's some beef. I made some beef, which this is not fully burnt, so I can still eat it. But my beef, let me show ya my beef, okay? Guys, I know I said beef, but it was actually salmon. So I burned this whole shit up, and I didn't even put the fire on high. That's what I don't understand. But this is what my beef is looking like. This is way better. I'm also watching The Era on YouTube while I'm cooking. I also have to clean like my dishes, put all of these things in. After that, I'll eat because I haven't eaten yet. I just ate like a cookie and I drank 2 coffee today. So I'm gonna go eat, and after that, I'm gonna go clean my room because my room is dirty, y'all. It's so dirty. I need to clean it, and I think I need to do some laundry too. So I'll do all of that at once. That's gonna be way better. I also wanted to do Uber. I also do Uber, guys, but I don't think I'll have time. I'll try to fix this salmon. I'll try to fix this salmon. I'll try to like take off the skin and maybe see if it's still eatable. I don't know. But yeah, it'll be tasting real good. I'll just season it a little bit more. So for the seasoning, I use salt, this type of salt. Just gonna put a lot. Well, not a lot, but like normal. I also use no name pepper. I love pepper. If you don't like pepper, I don't know what to tell you. I put a lot of pepper. I also put this meat seasoning, which I put a generous amount. Oops, sorry for the camera. And lastly, I will be putting this extra spicy dash seasoning, which it's actually really spicy, but I love it. Like, who cares? So that's what I'm gonna put. I'm gonna put all of that together, and then I'm gonna work on the salmon, and after that I'm gonna go get the vegetable. I need to start the vegetable in the next 7 minutes because the vegetable, it's like a frozen vegetable mix that I use. I think there's like carrot, there's like green pepper, I think carrot, green pepper, and a lot of things. So I'm just gonna finish that up. Ooh, this meat looks good. Okay, so I'm gonna finish that up, and I'll go get the vegetable, and I'll be back with you guys. So good. This is actually so good. I'll be back, guys. I swear my days can never go like 100% well, but it's okay. We be moving on, and yeah, I'll probably just put you on speed right now because I really want to finish this cooking and this cleaning. But that I'm all set for the week. Actually, I think I'll eat before I start washing the dishes. Oh, and I also need to do my vegetables, so I'll go get my vegetables. So at least that's not a up. I might cut some, I don't know, yeah. Plantains, is it healthy? I don't even know if it's healthy or not. So I finished meal prepping, so everything is cooked, everything is placed in the boxes. Let me show you what I came up with finally. So basically it's pretty basic. So it's just beef and vegetable, and that I did 5 meal plans. So because I know Saturday and Sunday I'll be kind of busy, so I think I'll eat one of those with maybe like a salad, like a chicken salad. So I did 5. So this is gonna be my meal for the next week. So right now I'm just gonna go put all of that downstairs, and I need to eat. Yeah, I've been saying that I need to eat, but I actually really need to eat, and I need to go. I have like 20 minutes left, so I'm gonna do that quickly. I honestly have to drink some water too, so let's do one thing at a time. And yeah, everything is done, guys. So all of the meal plans, I actually did 2 extra meal plans for next week if I don't have time to cook this week. So all of this is done, and I'm gonna go put all of this in my fridge downstairs, and then I'm gonna eat because I need to go. Okay, period. Ooh, that wig looking slayed though. I need to actually go look at myself in the mirror, so just to make sure I don't look crazy, but it is what it is.
Paper plane, Novocaine, Mary Jane. Say one thing to me, take a toast, no Raising Cane. I can't lie, life's good, man, I can't complain. Walking through the hood, undoubtedly without a stain. Hopped off the porch, I'm a prodigy, they know the name. Had to run it up, let my problems see financial gain. You ain't with me, you against me, then get out the way. Spinning on you and your feet, dancing on your grave. Choppers like President Eve, keep dressed like blood rain.
Good morning, guys. So it is Sunday, 19th of March, if I'm not mistaken. So it's like 1 p.m. My video is dropping in 2 hours. When I woke up, I basically did like more of some behind the scene work. Now I need to eat. I want to also get in touch with my Lord and Savior, so I want to do all of that. I also need to be active at 3 when the video drops, and then I want to go to the gym. And I think I'll do a little bit of Uber tonight also, because we gotta get that money. We gotta get to that money, to that bag. So I'm gonna eat. I have a lot of things to eat today. So my brother made me breakfast. Sorry if I look like this, guys. I haven't showered yet. Okay, don't judge. So guys, so this is the breakfast that my brother made me. So cute. I just added the fruits, but he made me the eggs and the bacon. And also I'm currently making my iced coffee, but I just realized that I have no more creamer. So I actually think I need to go beside, buy me some creamer, because anyways I need some for the week, and I really want an iced coffee right now. So yeah, I think I'll go do that. I think I'm gonna go out like this. Like, I don't even give a damn. Maybe I can put, okay, actually I can go like this. What do you think, Aisa?
Yeah, maybe if you didn't try and put this back a little bit, because it looks like a little too much. Yeah,
I'm gonna go out like this, guys. Ooh, not the back showing. So yeah, I'm gonna go out like this, guys. Here, I'm gonna go get my creamer, because your girl needs that for her coffee. I'll be back with you guys. Hi guys, like, so I didn't go to the store finally because I'm too hungry and I just want to eat and relax before like this video drops. So I'm just gonna listen to a little bit of Michael Todd, do a little bit like of prayer and everything, because it's Sunday and why not. And then once I'm done doing that, I'll go back on Instagram. I have to be done all of that by 2:30. Sorry for the noise. There is some construction at my place. So yeah. That is what I will be doing. So I see you guys later. Bye. Hey guys. Okay, so it's way later in the day. So I basically did like all the behind the scene work for Chats and Glam. The video was posted at 3 p.m. as it was supposed to be posted. I also did a little bit of social media. Now it's way later. Now it's actually the other day. It's like midnight 40. I did Uber. I was doing Uber since 6:30 p.m. and I just now finished. So I also wanted to go to the gym like way earlier, but I didn't get the chance. So right now I'm in the parking lot. I'm in the drive-thru for McDonald's. I'm craving McDonald's, yo. I'm craving the Big Mac, the chicken Big Mac, which is only in Canada and it's super good. I'm also craving an ice cream, so I'm gonna eat those two and then I'm gonna go to the gym. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Tomorrow is gonna be like a more chill day, but I think like tomorrow honestly is gonna be a late start. Yeah, it's gonna be a late start, and I'll go to the gym. And yeah, tomorrow I'll go to the gym too, like before I start working, because tomorrow it's Monday and work starts back. And yeah, so I'll go to the gym. I'll do all of that. I hope tomorrow I will have food for work. Anyways, that's what we do. There's a lot of car in the drive-thru. I don't know why. And honestly, I'm at McDonald's because I'm also like super duper hungry. I'm not here for nothing. Like your girl is actually hungry. And also guys, I tried electrolytes today for the first time. Just give me a moment. Yeah, so I tried it today for the first time. I bought this mango clementine raw organic drink. Never tasted that before. I never tried electrolyte before, and honestly this thing is really good. It's really good. I don't know energy wise how it's doing, but I just feel like I feel dead because I haven't eaten in a while. Like I ate when I left the house, but like that was so long ago. That was like 7 hours ago. So yeah, so I'll catch you when I have my food. Bye.
Kept the gallery open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in H-O-U-S-T-O-N. I get too crazy, had a little bad enough. We stay good friends, we get too crazy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. My babe, you know me, and you knew me back then. And you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making my way to your ends, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little post-so baby, you a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a. You already know, no. Dirtied up a cup, I'm on the no side. Text you, but I know you probably cross-eyed. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. I just touched the city with the cheap block stainers, and we got adopted by some flip-board strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first-name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you.
In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Stuck in my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like a million views in a day.